There is no denying that consciously or unconsciously, all of us are harming our environment. A man stubbing a cigarette in the soil, a little kid throwing out a packet of chips outside the car's window, or a woman dumping the household wastes out of the balcony, these are all common sights. Now, not only individuals, but industries also cause a lot of soil pollution, such as the oil industry. Now, another industry which causes widespread soil pollution is the biomedical industry. These biomedical wastes, such as used syringes or used dressings, cause a lot of soil pollution. Now, you would be surprised and shocked to see that these are the top 5 states that produces the maximum amount of biomedical waste generation and disposal according to 2011 census. Now, out of the 4 lakh kg of waste that is generated per day, only about 2.90 lakh kg is disposed of. Yes. The rest of it is all dumped into the soil and it causes soil pollution. So because of this carelessness, these biomedical wastes are all dumped outside hospitals and nursing homes, causing a lot of problem to the soil. So soil pollution is the process that reduces the productivity of the soil, and the substances that reduces the productivity of the soil are known as the pollutants. Now, the household pollutants such as paper and vegetable peels are all biodegradable wastes. That is, they can be broken down by soil bacteria into its constituents, and these constituents can be treated to produce manures which can be used to increase the fertility of soil. But biomedical wastes like syringes or glass bottles or plastic wrappers and plastic bottles are non-biodegradable wastes, wastes that cannot be degraded by bacteria. These wastes take about 500 years to photodegrade and completely vanish from the surface of the earth. Now, artificial fertilizers and pesticides like DDT can also cause a lot of soil pollution. These pesticides and fertilizers reduces the ability of soil bacteria to break down or to decay wastes, and because they have reduced ability, the breakdown of these wastes into its constituents does not take place. So nutrients like manures does not get made naturally. It is our responsibility to keep our surroundings clean and make Earth a better place to live in.